Alms. 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 Spare me a piece of bread. Spare me your mercy.
Di ka siya
I am a
ulo.
child so young, so thin. Why are you all staring at me? With my eyes I cannot see, but I know you're all staring at me. Why are we staring to one another? Why? Did you know my mother? Do you know my father? Did you know me 5 years ago? Yes, 5 years. Yes, 5 years of eternity have passed. I can still remember the vast happiness mother and I shared with each other. We were very happy indeed. Suddenly, 5 loud knocks were heard on the door. A deep silence ensued. With Dr. Nichols.
Ano ba dapat? 3 points. 3 points. You're going to
Mother of the father side. Peace to peace, right in the cellar. There in the cellar where they cannot fight. I pulled my father's arms, but he did not move. It seemed as though his feet were glued to the floor. And the door went bang! And before us, five Are you Captain Luis Santos? Yes, yes, said my father. You're under arrest, said one of the beasts. They pulled Father roughly away from us. Father was not given a chance to bid us goodbye. We followed them mile after mile. We were hungry and thirsty. We saw a group of Japanese eating. Oh, our mouths were seeing the delicious fruits they were eating. Suddenly, we heard a voice called, Consuelo, Oscar, Consuelo, Oscar, Consuelo, Oscar. I ran in the direction of the voice, but it was too late. Father was hanging on a tree.
Make a part of the alphabet.
Oh, it was terrible. He had been badly beaten before he died. And I cried, vengeance, vengeance, and everything went bad. The next thing I knew, I was nursing my invalid mother. I was nursing my invalid mother. Then one day we heard the church bell ringing. Ding dong, ding dong. It was a signal for us to find shelter in our hideout. But I could not leave my poor invalid mother. I tried to show her the way to our hideout. Suddenly, bombs started falling. Airplanes were roaring overhead. Cannons were firing everywhere. Boom! 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 Mother was hit. Her legs were shattered to pieces. I took her gently into my arms and I cried, I'll have vengeance! Vengeance! But mother said, no, Oscar. Vengeance is not ours, it's God's. But I cried, vengeance! I was like a pent-up volcano. Vengeance is mine, not the Lord's. Mother said, no, Oscar, vengeance is not ours, it's God's. These were the last words of my mother before she died. Vengeance said, Mother was dead and I was blind. Vengeance is not ours, it's God's. Vengeance is not ours. To forgive is divine, but vengeance is weaker. That was 5 years ago. 5 years. Spare me a piece of bread. Spare me your mercy. I am a child so young, so thin, and so vengeance is God's. It's God's.